The Bellaire is family living at its best, with a combination of private and open spaces for the whole family to work, study, entertain and unwind. Set at the front of the home, away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, is a private home office, offering a quiet and private space for remote working or study, complete with a nearby powder room. Beautiful materials and textures in relaxing earthy tones mix style with easy living throughout this home. An on-trend, nature-inspired colour palette gives a fresh and luxurious feel throughout the open-plan living area, comprising of meals, family and living spaces, which all seamlessly flow through the open stack of doors to an airy outdoor alfresco space. Perfect for entertaining and busy weeknights, the functional kitchen with island bench is complemented by the technology and convenience of luxury Italian-made ILVE appliances. Connecting to the kitchen is a walk-in butler's pantry and fridge space to keep everyday items concealed whilst within reach. Upstairs, the opulent master bedroom suite offers a serene retreat at the end of a long day and features a walk-in robe and expansive ensuite with double vanity and separate toilet. At the front of the top level, a cosy lounge retreat offers a peaceful haven away from the 3 additional bedrooms and centrally located bathroom with separate toilet. Your very own oasis from everyday life, the Bellaire embodies relaxed Queensland style. Live your way with Ownit Homes.